In this video, we'll talk about some of the common myths about flood insurance. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Flood insurance is already part of your standard homeowner's policy. While a lot of homeowners' insurance policies do cover water damage that is caused by water from the outside of the home, like damage caused by flash floods, inland flooding, as well as recurring storms, it's smart to get a separate flood policy in place for your home, condo, or renter's policy for protection against these risks. The second myth: most people think that federal disaster assistance programs will pay for the cost of rebuilding your home after a flood. Yes, there are federal disaster relief programs, but the president must first declare disaster before these become available. Don't forget, if the relief funds are made available, they are typically in the form of a loan that has to be repaid with interest. This will of course be added on top of any mortgage loan you still need to pay regarding your home. When you submit a claim with flood insurance, all the losses that are covered will be compensated whether or not a disaster is proclaimed. You also do not have to pay it back. The last myth is that because you live in an area that is not prone to flooding, you don't need flood insurance. Everyone lives in a flood zone, and that is a fact. It only differs on whether the area's risk level is low, moderate, or high. If you live in low or moderate risk areas, floods can still occur. Flood insurance is almost always required for those who live in flood-prone areas. Each year, melting snow, heavy rains, clogged sewer drains, as well as failed levees and dams causes millions of dollars in flood damages. FEMA states that nearly 25% of all flood claims are filed by those homeowners who are from the low to moderate risk zones, so don't take it for granted. Even though you live on top of a hill, you may still be at risk. Book an appointment with us today, and we can help you decide if flood insurance is right for you.